Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be talking about this house right here. Okay, so this house is a duplex in Mucheche estate here in Warri. It has 2-bedroom flats and 1 bedsitter downstairs. It has about 5 bedroom upstairs, which is a duplex, and then a penthouse up the last flat or the last floor. Okay, so this house is not for sale at all. Okay, it's not for sale, but for someone who is looking to buy or build this kind of house, should budget about 60 to 65 million naira starting from purchasing the land, according to an agent here in Warri. So let's go in and see what the inside looks like. Then at the end of the tour, we will speak with the engineer of this site to know more about this building. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do so now. Okay, please do so now, because I have great content planned for you guys. All right, let's go in. This is the 2-bedroom flat I was telling you guys about. This is the sitting room of the 2-bedroom flat downstairs. Okay, so that very day the bedsitter was locked, so I couldn't check the bedsitter out. So this is the 2-bedroom flat, and here is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, this is the sitting room, and then the sitting room straight to the kitchen. So it has storeroom. It has storeroom, and this is what the kitchen is looking like. Okay, so this is the kitchen balcony. This is the kitchen balcony, and this right here is the view you get from the balcony. This is the view you get from the kitchen balcony. Okay, and over here is the visitor's toilet. We have the visitor's toilet, and then let's move to the rooms. Okay, so guys, this is one of the rooms. We have 2 rooms. That is the 2-bedroom flat. So this is one of the rooms. Okay, so it has POP. All the rooms, everybody, the rooms everywhere, they have POP. This room has only 2 windows, just 2 windows, and this is the toilet. Guys, they are not done with the construction and everything. They are not done, but this is the toilet of that particular room. And then this is the second room. This is the second room. This room has 4 small windows. But it's okay, manageable. So this is the second room, and then we have the toilet. Okay, the toilet, some of the workers were in the toilet, so they were working there. I didn't even want to disturb them. So that's the toilet of this particular room. So now let's move over to the duplex upstairs. Okay, it's still POP. Everywhere is POP. So now we are heading upstairs. So this is the outside, the veranda or the corridor of the downstairs leading to the duplex upstairs. So here we have the first parlor, the first parlor downstairs. This is the first parlor or the first sitting room downstairs that leads to the duplex upstairs. I don't know if I'm making sense. So this is what the sitting room right here is looking like, and then they have the toilet, right? I think so. Okay, and this is the back staircase that leads to the the upstairs, that leads to the duplex upstairs. So we are going to take the front staircase. Okay, so they have back and front staircase, if that makes sense. Okay, I hope I'm explaining these things well, guys. So we are heading up right now. If you've not subscribed, because subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe, it's free. Okay, don't worry, soon we'll be using drone. So this is the sitting room upstairs, like this right here. As you can see, it's very wide. So this is the sitting room upstairs, and then this is the balcony, the view you get from the balcony of the sitting room, right? This is the balcony of the sitting room upstairs, and this is the view you get. Okay, so let's go in. So we're heading to one of the rooms. I'm not sure I checked all the rooms, yeah, but I think the rooms here are up to 5. But so this is a corridor between the rooms. Like all the rooms, they have like one passage like that that leads to all the different rooms. So this is one of the rooms, guys. This is one of the rooms. Yeah, each room has toilet as usual. Like, yeah, okay. So yeah, this is the toilet. This is how the toilet is looking like. Let me know, do you think this place is pretty? Do you think they are doing a good job? Like, guys, let me know your thoughts on this place. Okay, so over here we have the laundry, guys. We have the laundry. This is the laundry where all the washing is done. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, there's already a washing machine there. There's a washing machine there. Yeah, so this is the second room. Yeah, here we have the second room. I prefer this room to the other one I just showed you because this one is more pretty, but guys, I prefer white paint, white colors. Okay, so yeah, this is how the other room is looking like, and this is the balcony, right? Like, I love when, you know, each room has their balcony because I want to relax. Okay, I don't want disturbance. So that's the balcony over there, and this is the view you get. Okay, I love this balcony. Like, I can stay out here, read, you know, sit outside and get inspiration, no disturbance for me, and just be looking at people. Okay, so this is what the room is looking like, and then this is the toilet. This right here is the toilet. Everything is still, you know, in progress, still under construction. Yeah, that's the engineer Ghatty Joshua. Shout out to him. I'll put his details in the description box, his phone number, everything that you need to, you know, get in contact with him, so you know that he's good. So this is the toilet, and now we're heading to another room, guys. This is, yeah, the third room, I guess. Yeah, this is the third room, and I think this is the master's bedroom. I don't know, but yeah, this is the third room. I'm checking this. Yeah, so the toilet of this room, this particular room, is me. I love the toilet, guys. So like the door, this particular room has 2 doors, has 4 small windows. I mean, is it 4 or 5 windows? Because I'm seeing one at the other corner. So yeah, this is what the room is looking like. It has its own balcony again. Like, you know me now, balcony. The balcony, this is, you know, they are still trying to fix things because the owner of this apartment really wants to park in. That is the owner of the house. So yeah, this toilet, guys, this toilet, oh my god, I really love, like, you know, the dream, the vision they have for this toilet. It's not yet done, but I can already tell. Like, I can already feel what they want to do with it. So you guys, you already know. Okay, that's the baths over there. They're still working on it. So yeah, this is how the toilet is looking like. I love the tiles of this particular one. Like, it's clean and neat, you know, clean tiles. Like, I don't want stress. I don't want that after they are finished working I will be scrubbing and cleaning. No, this one is gonna be easy to clean, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is how the toilet is looking like. Wide, pretty. Let me know what you think of this apartment, this duplex. Okay, do you think it's cool? This toilet, this shape of this system is I really love it. Okay, I'm tired of the regular structure and shape, but this one, unique. So yeah, this is the washing sink. Yeah, this place is really, the toilet is cool, nice, better than the others I've been checking. Okay. Let me know what you think of this place, and do you think 65 million naira is cheap or is it expensive? Let me know what you think of it. Okay, so this particular room, this is the view you get from the balcony. From this place you can see the road, you can see what's happening in Warri. You can see this is Mucheche estate, okay? So you can see what's happening on the road, see what's happening in Warri, you know. So I can be out there reading, you know, checking things out. And then this is the penthouse upstairs. You know, penthouse, this is the only room up at the top, you know, building. This is the only room. This is the penthouse. It's not pent room, sorry. Is it penthouse, pent room? I don't know. It's not that wide, so that's it. It has toilet as well. So we are down now to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite place, guys. I really love this kitchen. Like, it's modern, you know what I'm saying? It's a modern kitchen. It's very dark for now. I'm sorry if it's not like very clear, but yeah. So as you can see, they are buying things because the owner of the place will soon park in. That's why I decided to come and make this video before they park in, so that, you know. So this is how the kitchen of this duplex is looking like, okay? Like, as you can see, the cabinets, they've fixed everything, you know. Most of the things are already done. Like, they're already putting things in place. This kitchen, like me, I'm not a big fan of cooking like that, but with this kitchen I can create things, you know. When the kitchen is okay, you can create, you can cook, like, you know. So this is the gas, like, is it cylinder, what do they call it, the cooking gas, right? Cooking gas or cooking, well, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this is how the kitchen is looking like. So pretty. I can film videos here. Oh my god, me on YouTube. Yeah, that's the, what do they call that? It's not fridge, Sha. Is it fridge? Well, I don't know, Sha. You guys, you know, let me know what they call it in the comment section. Don't call me a bush girl because maybe I'm trying to pretend, okay? So yeah, I really love this kitchen. It's, you know, it's modern, okay? So this is the storeroom of the kitchen. As you can see, there's already fridge in there. You know, everything is already in place, you know what I'm saying? They're trying to rush things so that they'll pack in. Yeah. So a big congratulations to the owner of this place, cause man, this is huge, okay? Guys, honestly, I didn't want to put this part because the guy behind the camera, just for my hand. Seriously, see the height, the height demarcation, the height difference between me and the engineer was just too obvious. I was looking like an ant and I was putting on eyeglass at the same time. My neck, only my head was showing. Like, this guy for my hand. I didn't want to put this part, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, see, I know you guys will laugh at me. Like, this place is hilarious, but I don't want to cut this part out. Okay, so I'm short, but not as short as this video made me look. Like, I don't understand. So but yeah.
It's the engineer. You guys know him. He's very popular here on my channel. Okay, engineer Ghatty Joshua. So I was here with him when he was starting the foundation. They were digging the foundation. I will insert a clip of that video. If you not watch it, go and watch it.
Yeah, guys, I'm in a different location now, in a site.
Okay. Yes. So introduce yourself to them again. For those of them that don't know.
I'm Ghatty Joshua by name. I'm the engineer of this video.
Yeah, so guys, he's an engineer. So when it comes to anything building here in Warri, I would highly recommend him. You guys, like, my camera did not do justice to this place, honestly, because this place is impeccable. Like, it's so amazing. Like, so I will insert his number and just every other thing you need to know, all his details, right, in the description box. I've checked this place around. And I want to know how many buildings, like how many rooms and everything do we have here? Like, this is a duplex, right?
Yeah, this is a duplex. I think we're having 2 tenants downstairs.
Okay.
As you can see, the work is being occupied by the owner.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the top is like a duplex, confirmed duplex. Then the down we have
2 tenants and one part of the duplex downstairs as well.
Okay, they have another parlor downstairs, that is, you know, together with the duplex they have the parlor down, and then we have 2 apartments for rent, 1 bed-sitter
and 2 bedroom flats.
And 2 bedroom flats, 1 2-bedroom flat, and then 1 bed-sitter. So for the bed-sitter, how much is it? This place is in an estate, guys, in case I've not said that. This place is in an estate.
Mucheche estate to be precise.
Alright, Mucheche. Okay, Mucheche estate. Together, alright. So yeah, for the bed-sitter, how much is that?
I think the bed-sitter has been taken already.
Okay.
It goes for 250,000 naira.
250,000 for the rent, like excluding
Excluding
culture
construction and
and
rent, salad, whatever.
And-
250,000 naira just for the rent.
Okay, just for the rent is 250,000 naira per year. Okay, so what about the
The two-bedroom flat is still there, not yet occupied.
not yet occupied now, okay?
It's going for 950,000 naira.
Per year, 950,000 naira, guys, for the two-bedroom flats downstairs. I think is he expensive behind the camera? Like, is he expensive?
Little bit.
Little bit.
In the rate
It's
of-
an estate,
Yes.
right?
In an estate.
Yeah. It's an estate. Like there's lights, there's water.
There's no constant light.
And security.
But security is guaranteed.
You said light is not what?
Not constant.
The light is like
Normal,
constant, like constant, almost constant. Yeah.
Almost, but not constant.
like the lights system here is better than like regular places now. You get so yeah, the lights and the security and all of that. So yeah, I think it's okay for two-bedroom flats. Like if you want to compare to with other places. So yeah, that's it for the two-bedroom flat downstairs and the best sitter downstairs. So the duplex itself is not for rent. Yeah, it's for the owner of the place. But let's say someone wants. How many rooms do we have in this duplex?
I mean, it was 5 bedrooms.
Okay, 5 bedrooms. Like, okay, so like if someone wants to, rent this 5-bedroom, how much? Like this duplex, how much do you think it
It's a
costs?
lot of money now. We're talking about millions there now.
Yeah, normally we talk about because the 2-bedroom is almost $1 million.
Yeah, it's almost
so-
$1 million. So we're talking about really close to, if not even up to 2 million.
No, it
Over
will
2
be
million
more
naira.
than 2 million, guys. I'm like, it will be almost
Over
up to
2
5 million, like 4 to 5 million, yeah, up to 5 million.
But the way and manner it's being used right now,
Is
it's not for rent at all.
yeah, you get
I don't
because
think
like
everybody
they
wants to
paid
rent it.
so
Yeah.
much details to.
Yeah.
They paid attention to details so much that I don't think anybody would want to write it down, except they want to really, put it high there. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this place, guys. I want to highly recommend Engineer Ghatty Joshua. Anything concerning construction here in Delta State, right? Here in Delta State, guys, he's really good. When I mean he's good, Like I want to say we started because I was here with you in the beginning.
Scratch.
Yeah, we started this building from the scratch. Like I was here with him. Like this is not as if he just came in when everything was almost done. He started with the foundation, everything. Okay, so I highly recommend him. And if you're looking for an agent here in Warri, I also recommend agent Onos. I'll also put his number in the description box. So guys, check these people out. And if you're looking to get this 2-bedroom apartment here in Mucheche Estate, I don't know when this video will be going out, but just hook up with the agent and then the engineer to know if the 2-bedroom is still available for rent by the time this video goes up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye.